If you don't have Switchy subscription yet, you can grab a lifetime deal on AppSumo. They've offered it for a few years, so it's likely to stick around. You can use my affiliate link in the video description to get. Switchy is super simple to use. On the main page, you'll see a list of all of the links you've changed. I like Switchy because it keeps all my affiliate links in one place, so I don't have to log into each website to find them. After 13 years in affiliate marketing, I've gotten tons of emails from affiliate programs switching systems, which means I'd have to update all of my links. Since it's hard to know where every link is, I use my own domain and just update the URL in Switchy instead of tracking down all of the places I've used them. Some websites even prefer when you use your own domain because it looks like the post is coming directly from your website. Once you verify your domain, they might not even notice it's affiliate link. But I'll be honest, you can't use Switchy everywhere. For example, Amazon doesn't allow retargeting links with your domain, so make sure to check if it's okay to use on the platforms you're working with. In just a minute, I'll show you exactly how to set up the automation, but first, there are a few things you should know before using Switchy. I have another video that walks around how to add your domain to Switchy. It can even be a subdomain of a website you already have. I'll link that video in the description. Before we dive into the automation, let's get to know Switchy a bit so you understand why and what we're setting up. On the main page, you'll see all your links. If you're just starting out, you won't see anything yet. To create a link, click Create Link. On the next page, you'll find the line where you add the affiliate link. There are other features too, but we're focusing on creating custom affiliate links. After you set up your link, Switchy should recognize the website and automatically pull the image and title. If it doesn't recognize the website, you won't be able to create the link. When we build the automation, we'll add a delay to give it enough time to detect the website properly. You can add a name for your link. I always use the website or product name. Make sure it's in one word or separate with an underscore. We'll need to fix this when creating the automation. Another important step is setting up a folder. I like to organize links by using folders. In this case, I have a specific folder for AppSumo since they have so many products. When I need to change a product URL to the website affiliate link, I can update the link in Switchy, but still keep it in the AppSumo folder because that's where I first found the product. You can also set an expiration date if you want the link to automatically change after a deal ends. For example, if you know when a product deal is ending, you can set it up here. That way, if someone clicks the link after the deal is over, they'll be sent to the product's main website instead of the expiry deal on AppSumo. I also like to add some notes, and you can use the short description we scraped from AppSumo here. There are other things you can set up here, but we won't go over all of them in this video. Once you've filled everything out, just click Get My Link and you're all set. Once you go back to the dashboard, you'll see your new link as a first option. The next thing we'll set up is downloading the QR code. I'll use this in the future posts, so it's something I need to have ready. Create a folder. You need to be on the main dashboard before starting to creating the link. Click on Create New Folder and give it a name. For this example, name it AppSumo.